into the chrysalis. Before every touch felt dangerous. Before I carried everybody else like the delicate silk that wrapped my chrysalis. But when silence wasn't loneliness and growing up still felt innocent. Now every bond feels delicate. I miss the silk that protected me from it. Now I spend nights translating pain, getting ready for dawn and repeats again. Though I've cycled into a butterfly to fly far, grown delicate, easily tear my wings apart. I heard the words like a branch just crack, snarl in front, then attack your back. And I'm so tired of playing trampoline, fighting invasions, absorbing their meaning. I wanna crawl back into the chrysalis before.
想睇訪問、聽 talk show 緊貼多倫多文化圈，快啲 subscribe Ears Online 啊！